For many children, going into foster care is the best or possibly the only solution at a troubled time in their life. But what happens when they turn 18? Youth advocates say too many teenagers finish foster care without any plan for the future, leaving them vulnerable and unprepared for life on their own.
For young people in care, turning 18 may not be a cause for celebration. It means losing their government assistance and, for some, their home.
My contact with the caseworker, the DOCS worker, really ceased. Not that it was a lot beforehand, and I stopped receiving the little support that I had been. It felt quite isolating and difficult.
The advocacy body CREATE has heard it all before. It's reporting an increase in the number of young people leaving care without any firm idea about where they'll work, study or live. CREATE says teenagers without a plan are at risk.
So they're more likely to be involved in juvenile justice, they're more likely to be pregnant and parenting at a younger age. A lot of them are homeless within the first year.
Last year, CREATE found 65% of young people leaving care had no plan for their future. This year, that figure increased despite a lengthy campaign to tackle the problem.
The overall result is incredibly disappointing, particularly after all the hard work that all the staff of CREATE have put in over the last 12 months. To see that really there has been no improvement is very demoralising.
CREATE says overcomplicated state and territory bureaucracies are to blame. One of the key recommendations is to relax privacy laws so that organisations like CREATE can directly contact children and their carers to ensure teenagers are armed with a plan for their future.
If I had have known about them, understood what they were when I was younger, been able to get involved when I was living in care, I would have had a lot better experience.
The federal government says it's working with community organisations to make sure all teenagers leaving state care get the help they need. Lucy Carter, ABC News.